Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create rounded corners for your images in Squarespace. So for this example you can see that on screen we have an image which has got very square and sharp edges, and we want to go ahead and create a curved edge on this image. Now to be able to do this, what we want to do is head over to the top left hand side and click Edit. We then want to go ahead and click our image and then click the pen icon, which is the edit icon on that image. From here we head over to the design tab, and then we want to find where it says corner radius, and we have a couple of options. Right now with the left-handed option on this tab selected, it's going to basically round all of the corner edges, and what we need to do is just pop in a number here depending on the strength that we want to actually round the corners. So for example, let's start off with 10. And what you'll be able to notice is that it's slightly now rounded those corners. But let's go and we want to create a bigger corner radius for the entire image. Let's go and add something like 50. And as you can see, it's created a much stronger curve there. Now, one thing that you can do is actually only select certain corners of the image that you want to round. So to be able to do that, let's head back into our corner radius section of the image right here. But this time we actually want to just make this 0 and select this tab right here. And then let's say we wanted to round just the left hand side corner. We can go ahead and add 50 to it. And as you can see, we have an image where only the left hand side is rounded and all of the other corners are square. You can probably make some really cool designs using this format right here. And of course, once you are happy with everything, you go ahead and make sure you click save so you save your changes. But that's essentially how you can round your corner images on your Squarespace site. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.